Good morning, students. In our previous class, we studied that the astrologers have to reveal about the life and death of the baby tiger king, and they predicted about the future of the child by saying that the child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. Okay, so here once he said that the baby tiger, okay, will one day have to meet its death. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. So here the miracle word has been used. Miracle means there are certain activities which are not being expected by us, so or it is related to the godly activities. In Hindi it is known as the surprising one, chamatkar. So a great miracle took at that place when the astrologers announced that the child will have to meet its death. Okay, and what was miracle? Similarly, an astonishing means surprising. An astonishing or surprising phrase. Okay, astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of that 10 days old baby, that is the tiger king, or 10-day-old Jilani Jang Bahadur. So what was the great miracle? The great miracle was 10 days old baby Jilani Jang Bahadur spoke a phrase that had been termed as astonishing. So this miracle and astonishing, these two words describe that it is really a peculiar event and it is really surprising one. Why surprising? Because in real sense we find that no 10 days old baby can speak. So it is a miracle. And it is astonishing, surprising for the listeners who heard the phrase. So what was the phrase? The phrase was, O wise prophets. O wise prophets. This is the astonishing phrase. So this astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of that 10 days old baby, and now we are moving to the reaction upon this particular phrase. So what is the reaction? The reaction is that, so listen to, here is the reaction. The first, every student transfixed means mesmerized. Mesmerized means magnetized. It means if you are looking at something, if you are watching a program and the program is so good or so exciting that the people got mesmerized, then we are using transfixed. So there, okay. So everyone what transfixed, stood transfixed, and another word is stupefaction. Okay, it means in a great oblivion, forgetfulness. So by listening that phrase, everyone who were present in that court, they all mesmerized in oblivion, as if they are not upon the ground, they are in a dream. So they all transfixed there and they started blinking. Blinking means movement of the eyelids. It means it expresses or shows surprise. So they all got mesmerized out of oblivion and started showing surprise through the blinking of the eyelids. Okay, but again the complete sound came. What is that sound? O wise prophets, it was I who spoke. It was I who spoke. Yes. So the narrator say that the sound comes through the lips of that 10 days old baby, and old baby say that it's me. Okay. And after this, what happened? There were no grounds for doubt. It was clear that this 10 days old baby had enunciated the words so clearly, because this baby spoke the phrase. So it was clear. So in this way we find that the miracle was that although the baby was only 10 days old, in spite of that, probably he or the baby got the power of speech and spoke. O wise prophets, it was I who spoke, and so it was a miracle, and the phrase was surprising or astonishing. Okay, and upon this, the chief astrologer reacted, and how he reacted? He showed his reaction. Okay, by he took off. Took off means utarna, remove. He took off his spectacles and gaze. Gaze means look with concentration. Okay. So he gazed intently. Intently means continuously. So he took off, removed his spectacles and looked at the baby continuously with concentration. So it is the reaction of the chief astrologer. Okay. And now the baby continued speaking. What the baby says? Here is the statement. All those who are born will one day have to die. Yes. The baby says that, okay, if there is a birth, then there should be death also. So baby says that, okay, those who are born will one day have to die. People is compelled. birth linked to death. Birth means death is essential. Death is not essential. Death is fixed. Okay. So he say that we don't need your prediction. And if the death is linked to the birth, in that case, what is the use of saying this word? What is the use of this statement?